By the end of this video, we will learn about electricity and magnetism, law of electric charges, and component of circuits. Before going into details, kindly subscribe our channel so you don't miss these interesting factual videos. Electricity can produce magnetism. Magnetism can create electricity. When charges from one piece of matter interact with those from another piece of matter, they produce both electric and magnetic forces. What is electricity? Electricity is the interaction of electric charges. Electric charges are a fundamental property of protons and electrons, which make up every atom. Positive and negative charges are the two types of electric charges. Protons possess a positive charge, whereas electrons carry a negative charge. Coulomb's law. The size of charges and the distance between them are both key factors in determining the strength of the electric force between charged objects. Ohm's law describes the relationship between electric current and voltage in a conductor, stating that the amount of electric current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the voltage that is causing the current to flow. Static electricity. When you rub a balloon against your hair, electrons from the atoms that make up your hair transfer to the balloon, which makes your hair positively charged due to electron loss. The balloon becomes negatively charged due to electron gain. When you hold the balloon several centimeters from your head, your hair stands up due to the attraction between the two opposite charges. Now let's discuss electric discharge. Have you ever received a shock when you touch a metal doorknob after shuffling your feet on the carpet? That is an example of electric discharge on a small scale. Electric current. Current electricity is a continuous flow of electric charge. There are two types of current: direct current, also known as DC, and alternating current, also known as AC. DC is the type of electric current where the charges flow in one direction only. Batteries are an example of a direct current source. AC is the type of electric current that flows in one direction, then the reverse direction, repeatedly. The electric current supplied by power companies to homes is an example of AC. Conductors and insulators. Conductors are materials that allow an electric current to flow through them easily, while insulators are materials that resist the flow of electric current. Parts of a circuit. Energy source. Load. Wires. Switch. Types of circuits. There are several options for connecting multiple loads in a circuit. Here are the two of the most common approaches. Series circuit. This involves connecting the loads in a line or series, allowing the current to flow from one load to the next in a single path. Parallel circuit. Here, the loads divide the current amount of the different devices, creating a parallel connection. What is magnetism? Magnets work because certain materials, like iron, nickel, and cobalt, have microscopic regions called magnetic domains, where atoms align their magnetic fields. When these materials are exposed to an external magnetic field, the domains align, creating a net magnetic field. This alignment persists even after the external field is removed, creating a permanent magnet. The magnet produces a magnetic field with north and south poles, which attract opposite poles and repel like poles. Do you know? Earth's magnetic field is what makes compasses work. The needle of a compass is a tiny magnet that aligns with the Earth's magnetic field, pointing north-south. This is possible because the Earth itself acts as a giant magnet thanks to its magnetic core, which generates a magnetic field that extends far into space. This field is what protects us from the solar wind and other harmful particles that constantly bombard our planet. Without it, life on Earth as we know it would not be possible. Physicist Hans Christian Ørsted was the first to discover that electric current produces a magnetic field around a wire. Faraday's electromagnetic induction. The process of creating an electric current by moving a conductor through a magnetic field or by varying the magnetic field around it. The majority of the electricity supplied to homes is generated using electromagnetic induction. Thanks for watching. To learn more, just visit and subscribe our YouTube channel. Link in description.